1. What is your research topic? Begin by formulating your research topic as a question. For example, how are children affected by witnessing domestic violence? 2. What are your main concepts? Choose the words that have substantive meaning in your question. Children, witnessing, domestic violence. 3. Develop alternative keywords. Think of synonyms or related terms for your main concepts. For children, youth, teenagers, adolescents. For witnessing, exposure, exposed. For domestic violence, family violence. 4. Use connectors and or to combine keywords. Or broadens the search. Use it to combine related terms. Children or youth or teenagers or adolescents. Domestic violence or family violence. And narrows the search. Use it to combine your concepts. Children and witnessing and domestic violence. 5. Construct your complete search. Open parentheses, domestic violence or family violence, close parentheses, and open parentheses, children or youth or teenagers or adolescents, close parentheses, and open parentheses, witnessing or exposure, close parentheses. Note, terms connected by the or should be in parentheses. Bonus! Using truncation will retrieve variations of words and is a good way of broadening your search. The truncation symbol directs the database to search for the root word by any ending. The most common symbol for truncation is the asterisk. For example, typing parent asterisk would retrieve records containing parent, parents, parenting, parental, etc. How would you modify the search on children witnessing domestic violence?